Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your name on TikTok. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just open up the TikTok app. Once done, go ahead over to the bottom right and tap on your profile. Okay. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have our profile picture, and below that, we can just easily add our name. Okay. Just do take note that the name and the username is different. Okay, when we go ahead over to edit right here, wait for it to load. You can just easily tap on the name and change it. Okay, it says here, your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. Okay, if you want to change your name right here or quote unquote nickname, you can just go ahead and tap on this X button and start typing your preferred name. And once that's done, just hit on save right here at the top right. Now, if you wanted to change your username, just hit on cancel right here and tap on username instead. And do take note, when you change your username, your account handle will change as well. Okay. For example, you change this one to 123. Your handle right here will be at 123 as well. And that is it. But I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.